How to delete old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the search option. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in the username of the Instagram account that you wanna delete. Once you land to the profile page, at the top right corner you will find three dots. Click on it. Click on the option report. Click on the option something about this account. Now click on the option they are pretending to be someone else. Click on me. Click on next. Now you can block, restrict, unfollow or mute this account. With that you have just reported this account. Now you can ask as many people as you can to report this account. After this account gets maximum number of report, this account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete old Instagram account without password, email and phone number. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.